Helo a croeso a diolch eto am ymuno ni heddi. Mae hi'n hyfryd i weld gymaint o blant o ysgolion ar draws Cymru gyfan.
The actual experiment is we're going to take 6 coins, all of a similar dirtiness, and we're going to submerge them.
So we're going to put out the cups first, so if you girls want to do that. Merched, chi eisiau rhoi'r cwpanau allan fel yn y diagram. 3, 2, 1. Dyna ni.
These coins need to be left in there for 10 minutes. Welcome back, croeso nôl, and we hope you have had just as much fun as we had here, and we are ready to show you our results. So, over to Rhi.
Mae'r merched wedi bod yn gweithio'n galed a maen nhw wedi trefnu'r darnau o arian yn ôl pa mor sgleiniog i nhw.
We believe that washing up liquids will be the best at cleaning coins.
A huge thank you to St Mary's Catholic Primary School for their predictions there.
A wedyn ni'n mynd draw nawr i ysgol chwilog ym Mhen Llŷn.
Dwi'n rhagfynegu mae'r sos coch fydd y gorau yn lanhau'r darn arian rhywydd mae ganddo halan, siwgr a finag ynddo.
What do you think? What are your ideas on what we could use in order to protect those coins? The best piggy bank, if you like. That's what we're looking for, right, Rhi?
Bendant, ni eisiau chi ddilynio Cymru Gay a fydd yn cadw'ch darnau arian yn sgleiniog.
3, 2, 1. And we really look forward to seeing you next time.
Hwyl fawr! Da iawn, hwyl fawr!